Super Nintendo.
Super Nintendo.
Show everyone. How cool is that?
Let's open it up.
All right, let me help you.
I can. Oh my God.
We got to be careful, okay?
That's how I can open it.
Oh, here we go.
We have the instruction. See what this is.
It's the plug.
Plug. We have the charger.
Nope, that's the controllers.
Control.
We'll open the bag. Oh, you want to open it now?
Yeah.
All right, let's show them what the controllers
And
look like.
show the kids.
Whoa. Looks
Cool.
just like the old ones.
Yeah. So
What else is in there?
I wonder if
Oh, another controller so you can play 2 players.
yeah. Actually,
Let me see. Cool.
let's open some more. Oh,
And here's up. What's underneath there?
more plug.
Wait, which plug is it? See, it comes with a HDMI cord. Nope, that's a USB.
And here's another.
There's the HDMI cord,
And there's something else.
and that's the Super Nintendo Classic itself.
Let's see.
Let's see how little it is. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Where's the game?
They're all built inside. Just to show you guys how small it is. Pretty cool, huh?
Let's put everything back in the box.
All right, say goodbye to everyone, and thanks for watching.
Bye.